In 1859, Charles Darwin published a book that quietly changed how humans understand life. On the Origin of Species is often described as a book about evolution. But this is misleading. Darwin's real question was not how life began, but how living forms change, diversify, and persist over time. Darwin's central problem is simple, yet radical. Why are living beings both similar and different? Why do species resemble each other in patterns, yet never remain perfectly fixed? So, Darwin discussed the divergence of various species. Instead of appealing to sudden creation or divine intervention, Darwin proposes a slow, cumulative process operating within nature itself. That process is natural selection. Natural selection rests on three basic observations. First, individuals within a population vary. No two organisms are exactly the same. Second, more individuals are born than can survive. Life constantly exceeds available resources. Third, some variations increase the chances of survival and reproduction. Over long periods of time, these advantageous traits become more common. Natural selection does not aim. It does not plan. It does not foresee. It simply preserves what works, temporarily. One of the most misunderstood aspects of Darwin's book is his understanding of species. Darwin does not define species as fixed natural kinds. For him, species are historical populations, connected through descent with modification. The boundaries between species are not sharp. They are gradual. Species, in Darwin's view, are not eternal forms, they are provisional stages in a continuous process. Darwin builds his argument using multiple kinds of evidence. Artificial selection in domesticated animals. Geological time and the fossil record. Comparative anatomy. Geographic distribution of species. Embryological similarities. No single piece of evidence is decisive, but together they form a coherent explanatory framework. Darwin's strength lies not in one observation, but in the convergence of many. Darwin does not explain the origin of life itself. Darwin replaces static explanation with historical explanation. Modern biology still lives within the conceptual space Darwin opened: variation, selection, population, and time. Conversations with books. Please like and subscribe to our channel.